guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick little clean with me in my kitchen. I had just gotten home from work, I had been to the grocery store, and I thought that I would do a clean with me as well. It was in the evening, so I'm going to be calling this an evening clean with me, and I hope that you enjoy. If you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button, and go ahead and put that notification bell on just to notify you when I upload a video. I know a few of you have been having some trouble with that, so just go ahead and hit that bell icon so you know every single time I make a video. I'm gonna go ahead and begin with putting some groceries away and then cleaning off the countertops. And then after that, I'm gonna be moving on to dishes. Alright, I'm heading to the dishes, and I'm putting all the dishes into the dishwasher, which you guys can't really see. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the Honeysuckle scent from Mrs. Meyers and cleaning the dishes as well. Alright guys, so right after I did this clean with me, I filmed a live with Miss Unique Gifts here on YouTube. I know that you guys hear me talking about her a lot, and it's a reason. We are collab partners. And we also go live on Instagram about once a week at 9 p.m. Eastern time, I think. And we do it for about 2 hours every single Friday, so go ahead and join us, follow us on Instagram. She is Unique Gifts and I am Messy Life Now. And all that information will be linked down below in the description box. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the counters with some Mrs. Meyer's lavender spray. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and disinfect them with the 7th generation disinfectant. I want you guys to make sure that you leave your disinfectants on your countertops for at least 10 minutes. Otherwise, it won't sanitize or disinfect your counters. And if you want more information, go ahead and read the directions on the back, and you can see all that information right on there. And for the grand finale, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the floors of my kitchen to get all the crumbs and things that I got off. And then you guys also get to see Alice in the video as well. She was also in that Instagram live. She was all over it. She loved it. So again, you guys can follow us on Instagram. And then go ahead and check out some of my other videos. I did a book haul recently and a good book haul on anxiety and self-help. And they are all linked right here. Bye guys!